Have you ever received an apology that somehow made you feel worse? I'm sorry you feel that way. Technically an apology, but it stings. In this episode, we talk about how to apologize properly. A real apology is not about saving face, it's about repairing the relationship. And the whole difference can come down to a few small words. I'm sorry if, and I'm sorry but, are not apologies. They are excuses in disguise. A true apology takes responsibility, with no conditions and no blame. And this matters everywhere, at work, at home, and in everyday life. Let's look at two examples, one at work and one at home. In each one, we'll see the apology done wrong and then done right. Let's start at work. Meet Tom and his colleague, Sophie. In a meeting, Tom criticized Sophie's idea harshly in front of the whole team. Sophie was hurt, and now Tom meets to apologize. Let's watch the wrong way first.
That comment in the meeting really embarrassed me.
Look, I'm sorry if you took it the wrong way.
The wrong way? You said my idea was a waste of time.
Well, I'm sorry, but someone had to be honest.
You could have said it kindly, or in private.
Okay, I said sorry. Can we just move on?
Forget it.
Great. Glad that's sorted.
So let's stop and see what happened there.
Well, at least he said sorry. That counts for something, doesn't it?
He said the word, but listen closely. It wasn't really an apology.
I'm sorry if you took it the wrong way. That little if is doing a lot.
Exactly. It blanks her feelings, not his behavior.
And then I'm sorry, but someone had to be honest.
The but cancels everything before it. It's an excuse, not an apology.
Then he rushed her. Can we just move on?
Right. He never owned what he did and never said he understood her hurt.
So she actually feels worse than before he apologized.
Now let's see the same moment, done the right way.
That comment in the meeting really embarrassed me.
You're right, and I'm sorry. I criticized your idea harshly in front of everyone.
It did hurt. I felt small.
I understand that. It wasn't fair to you, and the way I said it was wrong.
Thank you for saying that.
Next time I have a concern, I'll raise it with you privately and respectfully.
I'd really appreciate that.
And I'll tell the team your idea actually had some strong points.
So what made this version a real apology?
It was shorter, but it actually landed. No if, no but.
Exactly. He said I'm sorry and named exactly what he did.
And he agreed with her instead of defending himself.
Yes, it wasn't fair to you. That's taking responsibility.
He also said I understand that, so she felt heard.
That's the part people forget, acknowledging how the other person felt.
And then he made it right, privately next time and correcting the record.
That's a full apology. Own it, feel it, and fix it. Now let's go home. Meet Lucas and Hannah, a couple. Lucas forgot Hannah's important work dinner, and she waited there alone. Now they finally talk about it. Let's watch the wrong way first.
You never showed up to my work dinner. I waited for an hour.
I'm sorry, but you know how crazy work has been for me.
I told you 3 times how important it was.
I said I'm sorry. What more do you want from me?
I want you to actually mean it.
Fine. I'm sorry, okay? It's not like I did it on purpose.
That's not really an apology.
I just can't win with you.
So let's see what went wrong at home.
He did have a stressful week, to be fair to him.
He did. But I'm sorry, but work has been crazy uses the week as an excuse.
And what more do you want? Makes it sound like she's the problem.
Exactly. Then it's not like I did it on purpose makes it smaller than it was.
She didn't say he did it on purpose. She just felt let down.
Right? He never said he understood why it hurt or offered to make it right.
And I can't win with you turns his mistake into her fault.
So 3 sorries later she feels completely alone in it.
A sorry with a but is really just a defense.
Now let's watch the same moment, the better way.
You never showed up to my work dinner. I waited for an hour.
I'm so sorry. I forgot, and I left you waiting alone on your big night.
I was embarrassed in front of everyone.
I can only imagine how that felt. You had every right to count on me.
I really did.
There's no excuse. I should have saved the date and protected that time.
Thank you for understanding why it hurt.
Let me make it up to you. Dinner this Friday, just us, and I will not miss it.
So what was different this time?
He didn't mention his stressful week at all.
Right. There was no but. He just owned the mistake.
There's no excuse. That's a hard thing to say.
It is, and it's exactly what makes the apology feel honest.
He also pictured how she felt, waiting there alone.
Yes, acknowledging the impact tells her he truly gets it.
And he offered to make it right with a real plan, not just words.
That's a proper apology. It rebuilds trust instead of defending pride. So what can we learn from these two examples? First, say it clearly. I'm sorry, and name exactly what you did. Second, no if and no but. Those little words cancel the apology. Third, acknowledge how the other person felt. Show that you understand. And fourth, make it right. Say what you'll do differently next time. Here are 3 simple English phrases for a real apology. You can say, I'm sorry, that was my fault. Or, I understand why that hurt you. Or, here is what I'll do differently next time. Try them this week, at work, at home, or with friends. A real apology doesn't make you weak, it makes you trustworthy. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, follow for the next episode.